Today we are baking the easiest and fastest pumpkin pie. This is Libby's Easy Pumpkin Pie Mix, vegan style. Hey everyone, welcome back to Poly Vegan Kitchen. I'm sure all of us are pretty busy, especially around the holidays, and so sometimes we need a recipe that we can just whip together in no time. Libby's Easy Pumpkin Pie Mix has all the spices and sweetener already added, so all you need is just your eggs and your milk. Our egg replacement today will be aquafaba, which is a thick liquid that results from soaking or cooking legumes such as chickpeas, and our milk substitute will be coconut milk, of course. Throw all your ingredients together in a bowl and give it a good mix. I'm using my stand mixer, but of course you can use a hand mixer or your whisk. After that's done, you will need a pie shell. I will leave the ingredients for this pie crust in the description box below. This pie crust is partially baked. I put it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350. You don't have to do that, but if you want a crispier crust, please go ahead and do so. Now go ahead and pour your mixture into the pie shell and bake at 425 for 15 minutes, and then reduce your oven to 350 and bake for another 50 minutes. After your pie is done, allow it to cool for about 2 hours before biting in. I know, kind of hard. Now, as we cut into this delicious pie, I want to share with you a Bible verse. Psalm chapter 107 verses 1 through 3 says, "Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good, for his steadfast love endures forever." When the peace of Christ rules in our hearts, thankfulness overflows. Even in the darkest of times, we can praise God for his love. And now, my daughter will give this delicious, easy to make pie a taste.
Mom is the best cooker.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. And as always, no matter where you are on your journey, there's always room for you at our table right here at Poly Vegan Kitchen.